Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can mirror videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to mirror this one and I'm going to mask this first because I just want to remove that bottom half, but you don't need to. Copy and paste your video and you're going to select mirror. You can either mirror it like this or like rotate it all the way to mirror it the other way. Let me just mirror it again. Actually, I do have to mirror it here. Oops, sorry. And I'm just going to bring it up here. I might grab that mask and just feather it out a little bit to blend them. That's how you can mirror videos on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!